Glory be to Yah. Here we are, and we have our rainbow ZeGoDie, right? Our rainbow I Ching dice. And what you see here is I have a picture here showing you the reading for today on the right, and we have me manually inputting the corresponding ZeGoDie configurations to the left, right? And pretty soon, I don't know when, but pretty soon I'll have a feature enabled where you can take your picture of your ZeGoDie and it'll post it up there, and then you can manually enter it in there until we get some more advanced AI that can, discern the ZeGoDie automatically, right? At present, don't have that feature. But here we have it. We have our ZeGoDie cast. At present, you can see there's only 2 branching hexagrams that it's going to show. But I'm going to click them, and I'm going to show you that we got in-depth detail to the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding of the I Ching therein. See, here we go. It'll give you in-depth analysis of each one of these different instances. And of course, it was perfect. It was a perfect reading in the instance of, like, this describes the full process of what I'm going to be doing today. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing how some dice coming out of your hand, seemingly at random, can give you such an in-depth reading. And here we have it. Even this is only showing the branching paths of the AlphaGram. It's not showing the branching paths of the OmegaGram. It's only showing 2 of them on this page. But what I have here is about to switch over, and it's going to show you the other page. And that's what you'll see here. So I'll click Thy Recordings, right? And I'll show you some recordings. Page isn't perfect yet. You can't see everything. But we got our AlphaGram, and we got our OmegaGram, and we got the correct branching grams right there. Work on what has been spoiled. Keep still. Become nourished. Move. We'll approach with the accumulating, the 3 strengths, possession of great measure, and the creative. Like, man, that's like a story of meditation. And then we got the cauldron, the wanderer, biting through, nourishment, approach, possession in great measure, and again the creative. Boom, double growth hexagrams. Pretty cool. And there you have it. That was the full I Ching reading. But then if you click the Taoist icon, as you can see right there, of the yin yang, it'll bring you here to the Taoist oracle, where I have a particular version. I'm not sure if it's the current version of Stephen Mitchell's translation of the Tao Te Ching. Glory be to Yah, right? Thank God. So this work that I worked on thus far on the app, some more improvements will be coming in the coming days. You'll be able to purchase the ZeGoDie through the website, and I'll have a Kickstarter campaign fully up and running very soon. God bless you. Amen.